Hello there. Today I'm going to show you how you can do print-on-demand business on Shopify. For those who doesn't know what a print-on-demand business is, I'm going to explain a little bit. Basically, print-on-demand business is a business where you can create some stuff, you can design some stuff, and then you are going to put it into a website, and in this case it's going to be Shopify, and you don't really have to do anything beside adding the specification, the prices, and the design of your product, because the platform that we're going to use is going to be the one who handles everything from the printing, delivering, etc. The platform that we're going to use is going to connect us with all of the necessary parties, and then they're going to take care all of it for us. Now we're going to start by creating our Shopify account. To do that, you can just go ahead and go to Shopify and then start inserting your email to create a free trial account. So this is what we're going to see first when we are creating an account on Shopify. I'm going to go with I'm already selling online or in person. Then I'm going to click on next. And then you can choose on what other platform that you're selling your product with, or you can also just skip this step if you don't want to fill it for now. Next, you're going to want to choose on where you would like to sell your product. You can actually choose more than just one in the sections. For example, you want to sell it on an online store as well as an existing website, or just in online marketplace, in person, or social media. So you can choose more than just one option, or you can always skip it if you don't feel like answering this one for now. Once you're done creating your account, you're going to be redirected into the Shopify dashboard. And what you're going to do next is that you're going to take a look at your online store. You can go ahead and click on online store button on the left side menu of your screen. And then you can continue and customize the look of your shop by simply clicking on customize. And this is how your shop will look like at first. You can always change the theme as well as the wording, etc. I'm just going to give you a brief image on how your online store is going to look like if you use Shopify. Now, after we're done with the first step of print-on-demand business, which is creating a Shopify account, we're going to go to the next step, which is going to Printify. So Printify is the platform that are going to do the hard work for you, such as the product creation as well as the shipping. When you first create your Printify account, there are going to be some questions that you will need to answer, such as what describe you best. You can just go ahead and choose from the available options. And then you can also fill in what is the main objective of why we are creating a Printify account. For now, I'm going to go ahead and click on selling or creating business online. And then if you don't know where to start, you can go ahead and click on any of these options right here. But if you don't feel like you need any help, you can just go ahead and click on I don't need help at the moment. Then you're going to fill in on how did you find about Printify. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and click on YouTube. All right, and here is our Printify dashboard. Now, the next thing that we're going to do is to connect our Printify with our Shopify. To do that, you can go ahead and click on this Connect to Etsy, Shopify, etc. button, and then it's going to redirect us into this page right here. And I'm going to go ahead and click on Shopify. Next, you're going to have to copy and then paste your Shopify URL, and you can do that by going back to your Shopify and then publish your web if you haven't published it yet. And after that, you can copy on the web link and paste it onto Printify. Once we clicked on install, we're going to be redirected into Shopify website, and then as you can see, it's going to show us what Printify needs or what Printify can access from Shopify. So Printify is asking for access for personal data as well as to view and edit the store data. And then we're going to go ahead and click on install. And that's it. Now our Shopify and Printify is connected. Now, once you've decided to make Shopify as your online store, you're going to want to bring traffic into your web. And of course, you would like those traffic to stay because your web looks good. So, what you're going to do is that you're going to customize the look of your web page. And you can do that by choosing on one of the templates that Shopify offers to you. You just have to pay attention because some of the templates or some of the themes are actually paid, so you will have to subscribe to their paid plan first. But there are also some free theme that you can use, and you can also just design your own theme with Canva if you need to. Now let's get back to Printify and start creating our product. To create our product, we're going to go and click on the My Store button on the top right corner of our screen. And then we're going to go to click on the dashboard button, and we are going to create our product from there. Now there are several products that you can sell when you're trying on the print on demand business. And I'm going to use two examples. For the first one, it's just going to be this sweatshirt right here, and you can choose whichever sweatshirt you would like to customize. Just remember to take a look at the details such as the materials, the sizing, etc. Once you've chosen the product, go ahead and click on Start Designing. And here is the part where you need your creativity. So, when you try to design something on Printify, they actually have some pre made graphics that you can use, but I don't think it's going to be very interesting, and I don't think people would want to buy it if you just use any template. So, I advise you not to do that. I mean, you could try, but I don't advise you to do that because I don't think it's a very interesting design where people would like to spend their monies on. I encourage you to create your own design. You can use Canva, or you can use Photoshop, whatever it is you feel necessary or you feel comfortable to work with. I've already created my design earlier on Canva, so I'm just going to go ahead and try to find that. And then I'm going to upload it so that I can see how my design will look like if it is on a sweatshirt. So this is how my design will look like when I put it into a sweatshirt. And I can adjust the size by simply dragging on the tiny dots surrounding my design. I can also change the colors of the sweatshirt or whatever product it is that I'm trying on by clicking on select on the color sections, and I'm just going to choose black so that it's going to blend well with my design. So you can see the back side as well as the front side. You can add up more design on the back side if you want, but I'm just going to use the front side for now. And if you click on preview, you can actually see how your design will look like on real life sweatshirt as well on people. So if you would like to see how your sweatshirt will look like when people actually wears it, you can click on preview, and there are going to be several pictures that you can see that shows how your design will be in real life. When you try to do a print on demand business, I strongly advise you to try out the product first. So before you put this particular product on your Shopify, I advise you to order one for yourself first so that you can see how the material is or how long the shipping is going to be. I think it's a very good investment so that you will know that the product that you are selling have good quality and it's going to satisfy your customer. Once you're done with your design, you can go to the next page, and on the next page it's going to show you the prices. There are retail prices, the profit margin, as well as the production cost. So when you're doing this type of business, the number that you're going to see on your product is not going to be your actual benefit because you're going to have to divide it with the production team as well as the shipping cost. So as you can see in this product, they have profit around $11 to $12. So that is the actual money that you're going to receive if you're selling that particular stuff. Now let's try and create one more product. For the second product, I'm going to try and add a design for a mug. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the first one, which is a ceramic mug with 11 ounces capacity. And then I'm going to go ahead and start designing my mug. Besides adding your own pictures and using the templates that Printify have, you also have the options to generate a image with AI. So you can go ahead and do that and click on the AI image generator and just add some prompt on what you want your design will be. For example, I want my design to be a night sky animation in the style of Ghibli Studio. And here are the result of the AI generated pictures. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose one of it. And I'm going to see how it's going to look like on my mug. And just like how we did before, after we're done adjusting and adding our design, we're going to want to look at it on the preview sections. On this preview sections, I can see how my design will look like on an actual mug because the preview shows me a real life mug and I'd like to look at a realistic portrayals of how my product will look like. And once you're done with your design and you're satisfied with how your product looks like, you can go ahead and save the product from now, and then you can also add up your descriptions, your name of your product, etc. You can also use these pictures to upload it onto your Shopify so that people are going to see how your product will look like in real life. Always pay attention to the pricing and always make sure that the production cost, the shipping cost, etc. is according to how you measure it to be. And always take a look at the profit margin so that you will know what to expect from selling this particular item. And that's it. Once you've created your product, you can go ahead and put your product into Shopify and then you can start and selling your product from there. And then once an order is made, Printify is going to be the one who take care for all of the other things. And that is how you can do print on demand with Shopify. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.